to use Google Earth to show uh, a topographic profile to kind of get an understanding of, first off, a profile, how one's done, but also try to understand a little bit more about the shape of, in the case of Indiana, the shape of our land. And so I'm going to go ahead and let's just go do a particular path here. So if you're familiar with Google Earth, you already know this, but we'll go ahead and we'll go from the top northeast corner all the way down here to the southwest corner of Indiana. And so what just was created was a topographic profile. And so as you can see up here, we've got this red arrow. And as I move across this profile down here at the bottom, essentially we can see the movement of that red arrow. And so it shows a profile. So essentially a cross section has been cut right through the middle of the state. And in general, we have this particular pattern in which we have higher elevation in the more northern part of the state, but then as we get to central Indiana, things change. And we get to central Indiana, definitely we have a more lower elevation, eventually getting to the lowest elevation in Indiana is where the Wabash River meets the Ohio River in extreme southwest Indiana. So in this case, we just create a topographic profile. And we can go ahead and do that also for, let's do Marion County. So we'll go from one side of the county to the other side of the county. As far as higher elevation, then we have lower elevation towards the center part where Indianapolis and downtown and campus is located. And eventually we have higher elevations over here in the east side of Indianapolis in the Warren Central School District. And eventually as we get closer to more rural areas of Marion County. So essentially this is a topographic profile that I've created for Marion County that shows where we have higher elevations over by Eagle Creek and lower elevations downtown and then subsequently higher elevations to our east.